40 years, Dr. Sang-ok has amassed what can only be described as Korea's finest collection of cosmetic culture.
I wasn't aware how far back in history it went, so I was surprised to see the dates and these well-preserved artifacts. And I think it's lovely that they're so in such good condition.
Specifically the workshop, that was fun. I enjoyed that, so yes. I discovered that you can make perfume from roots, and I had no idea that you could do that.
It was interesting to know that fragrances were important as well, and making various oils was part of the tradition.
I'm very much interested in the whole clay pottery things that are actually there, and I've seen a lot of exhibitions about that before. So the kind of use what you do with it is actually fantastic.
I'd imagine a mother passed it to her daughter, and then that mother passed it to her daughter when she got married, and I thought that was really touching that it was passed on.
I think it's very nice for the embassy and KCCUK to do something which is so modern and so traditional.
미와 아름다움을 보여줄 수 있는 한국의 박물관을 운영하는 사람들의 소망이기도 하거든요. 근데 이번에 그런 기회를 갖게 돼서 대단히 기쁘게 생각합니다.